Hey everyone. So for this special course, we're going to teach you how to get every data that you would like on the internet in scale. If you can find like yellow pages, if you want from Facebook, from LinkedIn, from any website in the world, if you want to collect social media for, like haircuts or emails from people that does nails from Instagram, or just like B2B leads from LinkedIn, or just to scrape a website. So we'll have like the content for them, and then you can analyze them. If you want to do a big data research and you need a lot of data, you can find it easily over the web. So we actually did it. They are doing it for a long time. Content and also scraping is like for content, for big data, for e-com, for any brand that you want. This is like the king. If you want to get the link, just the leads, just get them, take them from the website, take them from the web. This is all about this course. You can find it actually here on the website, our website, and Black Hat Growth. You can go to start course, scraping data. This is just the first ones. We're not only teaching how to do scraping, we're also teaching how to do scraping easily. Without knowledge or technical knowledge, just like basic stuff. So you can just go and check it out. You can do it here. And if you have any problems, you can find over the forum, scraping forum, and then ask any question that you want. You can find all the cool tools there, all the cool new stuff about scraping on the forum. And this is actually it. Have fun, and if you have questions, ask in the forum. Our great team will answer everything that you need. Bye bye.